Hi guys, welcome back to Sticker Sand Vibe channel. Today we're going to make a beautiful and colorful butterfly using magic sand. Get your sand ready, let's do it together. So start with a smile and stay with me till the end. Butterflies are one of the most magical creatures in nature. They start their life as a tiny caterpillar, then transform into a beautiful butterfly that flies happily in the air, lands on flowers, and spreads color and joy everywhere. While we color this butterfly together, we'll learn how to play with colors, be creative, and enjoy the beauty of change. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss any of our fun and colorful sand art videos.